Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Eve Aqua smart waterer and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now, you might need to do this reset for any variety of reasons. If it's not connecting to any of your devices, or it keeps disconnecting, or it's malfunctioning, it's not following its instructions or whatever like that, it's not responding. Any of these troubleshooting things can very often be fixed with a hard reset, and it's quite easy to do. All we need to do is a couple of things. First of all, it has to have batteries in order to do this, and the child lock should not be on. But as long as you've got those two things on, then all you need to do is come in and press the power button. But instead of just pressing the power button to turn it on or off, you're just going to press it and hold it. And it will take about 10 seconds. We just keep holding it. After about 10 seconds, you'll notice that it will blink. And once it blinks, then you can let go, and it will go through its reset process, and everything in the waterer will be reset to the default settings like when it came out of the box.